Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm heading over to STK Steakhouse, and they have a very wide seating area outside, which is so beautiful, and you have so many options on where to sit. And from the moment you walk in the restaurant, you are instantly captured by the chic and vibrant atmosphere. That really sets the tone for a remarkable dining experience. Walking in, we were greeted and promptly led to our seating area, and we had a waitress there waiting for us with the menus, which I really love. So we sat down and directly had our menus. Handed to us, and the menu was pretty much a straightforward, and our waiter was really helpful. He was right there. If we had any questions regarding the different dishes, he really explained everything in detail. To begin, we started with some delicious cocktails. This is the espresso martini, this is a mojito, and a hibiscus sparkler, which were all delicious. And our glasses were promptly filled with water as soon as we sat down and got our menus, so which was a plus to me. And we got this complimentary sourdough bread that was seasoned with butter, and it had a green dipping sauce, which was so delicious. So for the appetizers, we got the burrata and marinated beetroot. We also got the calamari with the Asian chili sauce, and the little burgers with the Wagyu beef. And for the main dish, I got the Steakhouse skirt, which was very delicious, and a side of bacon, mac and cheese. For my steak, it was topped with the Wagyu umami butter, which is slowly heated until it's melted to give it a rich and buttery flavor and a creamy texture. So if you're not a steak person, the menu does have options where you can order some seafood as well. And we ordered some sides of fries, which comes in a large amount. So the sides of fries is actually shareable for two people. Y'all, I was so full, so I had to take my mac and cheese to go. But after dinner, we were able to stop by the front where they had this beautiful floral wall where you can actually take pictures. And they have a touch screen where you can take pictures and use different filters and email it to yourself. They also have this beautiful STK sign as well, where you can also take pictures as well. As far as their website, you can go ahead and make a reservation through their website, or you can give them a call. The one in Charlotte is located at 201 South College Street, and I see they have a lot of specials going on as well. As far as a breakfast, you can add pancakes and eggs to your steak for $9.99, which is looking very delicious, which I will be going back. And these are their hours for lunch, brunch, dinner, whatever time you want to go. And I also see they have a special for steak night for $69 per person, but this looks like it only is for a party of two. So make sure you get information about this to the location that you will be going to. And I also saw that they have mimosas for $5 all day, Sunday and Saturday. Okay, from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. So I will definitely be going back. So, guys, thank you so much for watching, for staying tuned, and I will be back with more content such as this. Have a great day.